khóc bị cái phần cô cái chuông ở taxi tôi là chuan cần chocolate theo pushing key eso scope cái mù it is ngei ava travel lu cha cái pote yêu mù ngei to min chicken dinner here I stand don't know why don't know where nothing to my name but I stay underwear nonetheless still I could swag check out my hair can you spare some 5.56 like hell I'll share Amazon grow on trees so neither does victory but you know what does nuts this island about to light up I'll be walking through fire from friendly conversation into a battle of survivors great tip you ain't scared of height 3 2 1 jump like an angel strip of wings for a second falling from the sky to burning the hand on earth our quest is to escape fate and survive these revolvers all I've got so keep an eye out for rifles I'll stock up on 4.5 where the squad swear to God we gotta rivet us we will take it this year for a drive fire up the whip take a ride to the town just like Stevie Wonder gotta get the higher ground except we never blind we have got eyes around flight report don't go hiding down we were just going wrong you mean lying down I'll hear victory calling I follow the sound the last man to stand will be me on this battleground my quest will start with chinky Trevor mounted top someone king me hobby dot good guns behind the doors I'll show you mine if you show me yours time to hit the road bros yo this zone is closing wait a second I need a piece of inconspicuous clothing but the clothes on hold shot fire due west enemy bearing 250 wait is that right or left medikit been hit is it bad don't look I'll bet you up brother cause this ain't the worst we have been shook it deflect out the flag that I took I guess that you can't do it anymore with a pen then cook we're in the middle of the ring sick we can just kick it popping painkiller shit think I'm addicted hey please look if you can that I'll rate it grab me camo pants I can fight naked peel your pen peel your eyes for mortar strikes yo from skies above behind hide if you're outside you're kinda dumb